I used to listen to drill music while coding, and I don't think you realize how weird that actually is. Like, I'm sitting on my desk, listening to lyrics that talk about drugs and women, while typing an if statement like a good boy. And I honestly thought that I was locked in. Nothing could interrupt my workflow, which was obviously complete BS. I was not locked in at all. As a matter of fact, I was locked out, just because it was distracting me to such a high degree that I sometimes forgot that I was even coding in the first place. And this literally affected the quality of code, which directly correlates to bugs in production. But I didn't even realize that because, first of all, I used Cursor as my IDE, but the moment that I stopped hitting tab to accept the completion, my brain literally started having trouble to think. The moment that AI was not doing the whole work for me anymore, I was cooked. Music was blocking me that much. Now first, let's actually clarify what music I'm talking about. I'm not talking about lo-fi or the sound effects like the birds or something. I'm talking specifically about rap, or just anything that has lyrics in it. And so if you feel like you're kind of stuck in your coding ability, this might be actually a good way to improve, and it is to completely get rid of music while coding. And I know it sounds completely crazy, but think about it. Isn't it kind of insane that you'd rather listen to a song that you've heard like 500 times instead of actually focusing and getting work done and making money? If you're still listening to music while coding, actually bro, just lock in already. Now, before you get started with this, before you completely get rid of music, it's actually not that easy, because you will find yourself going back to the music even though you don't really want to listen to it. Because right now, it's kind of addictive for you. You're like a crackhead. Well, actually, let me not complete that analogy. But here's exactly how to improve your focus while programming. Number one, force yourself for 10 minutes to not do anything. And this actually has nothing to do with coding. It's just sitting on your desk and doing nothing, just staring to the void. And if you do this for 10 minutes, you will find you have calmed yourself down a lot. And this is basically what meditation is. Except that you're not even meditating, you're literally just doing nothing. And the reason why you should do this is because when you get started with coding again, your urge to listen to music will be down here when it was previously here. And the reason why is just because it's annoying. Like, imagine you're fully locked in, you know what you're gonna do, but then you gotta turn on some music and listen to some guy speak about something that has nothing to do with you. It's really annoying, even if you're addicted to that thing. And I want you to do that every time before a coding session. Just for 10 minutes, sit down on your chair and just do nothing. Now, you will eventually relapse, but that's not a bad thing. When you relapse, just write down when and why and how. This will subconsciously trick you into not doing these things again. And this is really just how to quit any addiction. Now, as you've watched this video, you're probably wondering, but what is the root cause? And the root cause is your attention span. It's so garbage after all the reels and TikToks you've been watching. And don't even get me started on YouTube Shorts. You just can't focus on anything. You can't get any work done. And it's very miserable to live like that. So please, just do nothing. At the stage you're at, it will probably be better to do nothing than to watch TikTok or Instagram. But yeah, that's basically the point of the video. Until next time.